Nike is set to report earnings next week. An analyst over at Buckingham, they're downgrading the shares into the number to neutral. They're up more than 40% over the past year. We've made it our call of the day. All right, what do you guys think of this? So they raised the price target, as we said, to 80 from 75. But they say it's time to tap the brakes. The stock obviously could rise a little bit more from here. They say the valuation the company has reflects the fundamentals that are in place.
It just broke out, though. I don't understand why you would sell a stock that is just starting to get going after such a long period of consolidation. I mean, just from a technical,
it's up 15%.
I know it's different. I know he's looking at
their strategy of the fence.
Different.
Well, it could get to 80, but I'm downgrading to neutral here. So the analyst isn't saying sell it. They're saying hold it. You got a little more upside. There's nothing wrong when you've had good numbers.
Right, not saying
that's
sell
portfolio management, right? And portfolio management is that when your upside's limited or you had a price target, don't keep raising your price target even though they did it here. Take the profits, find something else to go into. So I get that. So look, but Nike, I agree with you.
If you like a stock and you're
for so long.
If you like a stock and you're saying we like it, but maybe let it come down a point or two. What are we doing here?
Well, I think it could come down more than a point or two. I'm not, the chart does
but he's
look a
not
little
saying
toppy.
he thinks it will.
Well, but let's just look. I know this stock. I've been in it plenty. I sold it about 2 months ago, and at 27.5 times forward earnings, I will tell you, knowing this stock for decades now, that's well ahead of itself. Usually, it's around 23 to 25 times. So, could it come down 10% just to get to where it normal historically trades? It certainly could. I don't object to this call, notwithstanding the chart. I don't object to an analyst saying, yeah, things have been great, but you know what? I think I see a turn coming. I like analysts who do that, who just, instead of riding the momentum.
Right, and I'm not beating up on this analyst. I think it's fine what the analyst did. But if it's 23 to 25 times, and now it's 27 times, and you have a consumer that's more flush with cash than they've been in a decade or more, why don't you think it should get a premium to its normal multiple, historic multiple?
Look, Steve, maybe it does go to a 30 multiple, maybe, but I don't think that's justified. I don't think that a 27.5 multiple. I think it's more likely. Let's call the next 10% in Nike. I'm not saying a crash. The next 10% I think is lower on Nike.
No way to know that.
I said I think. I don't say I know. I have an opinion.
So if you're an investor, you say, all right, I can withstand 10% down. If I like the stock long term.
If you look at 2 years, Jim, what do you think it's trading at? Nike?
Probably right around where it is right now.
Okay, then.
I mean, I've known this stock for a long time. When it gets to 27.5, I'm not saying there's a crash there.
You think it's going to be where it is?
I'm not excited at buying here for a 2-year trade, and I'm a long-term investor, right? 2 years is my time horizon.
I'm not saying
we could be in a recession in 2 years, right. So it's not a.
What I'm picking up on is that any stock at any point in time on any day has 10% downside.
Look,
for no reason than just that it does. So if you think it's going to be higher and that your downside's 10%,
look, I'm placing probabilities on it, and these are only opinions. All right, we're in the investing world. We're predicting the future.
Judge, you might want to bail this guy out and go to a commercial.
I'm just thinking to myself, even placing Kate Moore between you guys doesn't calm everything down.
Why would we do that to Kate?
Every day I come in here very civil, and Jim just aggravates.
Next time you guys sit next to each other, Kate comes around this way.
It's Friday.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.